I am Dr. Vineet Suri, Senior Consultant Neurologist and Coordinator Department of Neurology, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, and the current President of Indian Stroke Association. Stroke is a very major devastating medical emergency which requires immediate and emergent care. Brain stroke can be identified by the mnemonic called BFAST, where B stands for abrupt onset balance problem, E stands for abrupt onset visual problem, eye problem, whether in one eye or one side of the eye or one half of vision. F stands for a facial tilt. So, when the patient is smiling and there is a tilt of the face. A stands for arm drift. So, if both the arms are raised, one arm starts drifting, that is the A sign. And S stands for slurring of speech or difficulty in speaking. So, BFAST can recognize a majority of strokes, and when there is BFAST, it is time to act fast. There are two therapies that are now available which can actually restore the blood flow into the brain. So, if there is an infarct happening, there is a blood flow loss into the blood vessel. These two therapies called as intravenous thrombolysis and mechanical thrombectomy can open the flow. It can recanalize the vessel and restore blood flow into the brain so as to limit the damage in the brain. This results in major functional improvement in patients. But both these therapies are timelined, which means the intravenous thrombolysis, which is a drug given in the vein, can be given only up to 4.5 hours of stroke onset. And the mechanical thrombectomy, where a catheter is put through the leg vein into the brain and the clot is either pulled out or sucked out, can be used only up to 6 hours and very rarely in some selected patients up to 24 hours. Now, both these therapies can make a major change on the patient's survival and outcome from the stroke. But unfortunately, in India, only 1 to 5% of patients get access to these therapies. This is because there is lack of awareness amongst the general public. There is lack of awareness about how to recognize stroke, and then if stroke is recognized, then what to do. And since the therapy is, the major changes have to be done in the first 4.5 hours to 6 hours, most patients tend to lose out on these golden hours and present to hospitals much later where nothing much can be done. The Indian Stroke Association has prepared this app which is to actually bridge this gap and to allow patients to get access to these therapies. This is a social initiative of the Indian Stroke Association. This app is called as Stroke SOS, STROKESOS, and it can be downloaded free from both Android and iOS platforms. This app, immediately the minute a user goes onto the app, the application picks up the position, the actual Google position of the user, and then it tries to tell neighboring hospitals which can provide these stroke therapies. So, as soon as it identifies the patient's or the user's mobile location, it immediately it provides information about all hospitals in the vicinity which can, both government and private, which can actually provide these emergency stroke therapies including IV thrombolysis and mechanical thrombectomy. A number is flashed for that hospital where the patient can contact that number, and when the patient wants to navigate to a particular hospital out of the list provided, real time on Google, there is a real time indicated as to how much time it will take, and Google Map navigation will direct the patient towards that medical facility. We also have a facility also to have a pre-notification to that hospital that a patient is arriving. This is going to actually bridge the gap between patients who are failing to get these medical therapies in time. It is going to be a major advantage for patients who are maybe in the major metropolitan cities. So, supposing you are in Delhi or in Bombay, you know if somebody gets a stroke where to go. But if you are traveling out of Delhi or Bombay, you are traveling out of your city on an official trip or maybe on a holiday, and you are down south somewhere in Kochi, or you are down south or you are up somewhere in Mussoorie, and somebody develops a stroke there at that moment, then you do not know where to go. And if supposing stroke occurs at the middle of the night, this app will guide you immediately which hospital to take the patient so that time can be saved and the patient can get that therapy. It will also be very helpful for patients who are for international travelers who are going into tourist cities. A lot of people go to Agra, they are international travelers, they go to Jaipur, they go to Pushkar, and if somebody develops a problem there, then the app would be of major help to tell them which hospital to go to and where to go to so that they can get the kind of therapy that is required for that kind of stroke. The other advantage of the app also is that even for non-stroke emergencies, so if somebody is caught in a very peripheral zone in a town or in a village and somebody develops a non-stroke complication and one does not know where to go, so these hospitals which are definitely stroke ready can also help and double up for other emergencies. So it would also help these patients to reach these hospitals. Even non-stroke emergencies can utilize both these government and private hospitals to get access to medical facilities. And this is an initiative of the Stroke Association. It's an effort by the Indian Stroke Association to try to reduce the devastation that stroke can produce. And unfortunately, as of now, only 1 to 5% of Indian patients get access to this therapy, wherever world over these figures are like 30 to 50%, especially in a lot of developed nations. And this is an effort by us to try to help these patients who may reach and get the therapies in time. Thank you so much.